Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Customers having a little problem with the U-joints again. We've had shops tell them, hell, they don't fit, won't work. We gotta machine this. So here's a U-joint. Here's the U-joint caps. And here's the clips. The clips do not position the U-joint. The clips are to prevent, if there's a catastrophic failure, to try to prevent the caps from leaving the yoke. Doing. These caps are supposed to fit tight, quite tight. That's why you hear about some people pressing them in, some people having to use giant hammers and shit like that. But, so, this is a Moog 364 right here. It's for the 2003 and 2009 Dodges. Here's our stub shaft, which is actually, right, it's a Spicer. It's actually from the Ford. So, the U-joint, when you hammer in the caps, it centers itself. And then when it attaches to the other side, your factory drive shaft, it's going to center. Now on these, if you don't push them in, now I'm just winging this just because the old dude called. You can actually start sticking that one in just a little bit. I've taken the caps off, as you can see, so we're just kind of winging this. Yeah, so there we go. We've got that one started. I'm just using my paws here and a plate. Nothing fancy, gang. Nothing fancy here. Okay. We get to, I don't know if you can see, but we get to put our clips in right there and right there. Right there and right there. Little big hammer for doing this, but like I said, this is on the fly. This is like the side of the road. Nothing fancy here. U-joint clipped and installed. And of course, this end goes in your drive shaft. Factory U-joint. Nothing fancy. Didn't take all afternoon. Anybody that tells you that they can't put that U-joint in is incompetent. Absolutely incompetent. You better run. Run, run, run.